Forza Horizon 6 Error FHE01. Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error. Detailed guide. 1. Restart your PC properly. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely from Task Manager. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices temporarily. Restart your PC before trying again. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Forza Horizon 6 Properties Manage. Select Verify and Repair game files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Download latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel drivers. Perform a clean graphics driver installation. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Run Game and Launcher as administrator. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam Xbox app with admin rights. 5. Disable overlays and background software. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, Razer Synapse, and RGB apps. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Repair gaming services as well. 7. Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WSReset.exe and press Enter. Wait until Microsoft Store opens automatically. 8. Delete corrupted cache and config files. Press Windows R, type // local app data % and press Enter. Remove damaged Forza Horizon 6 cache config folders carefully. 9. Lower graphics and disable overclocking. Reduce graphics settings from ultra to high medium. Disable ray tracing if enabled. Turn off CPU-GPU overclocking for stability. 10. Reinstall the game and required components. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Install latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Reinstall the game on a fast SSD drive if possible.